Well, this is gonna be the fastest mod ever, and I just done that without even a thought of concern.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
Why so serious? Why so serious? What's going on, guys? It's your guy SeriousMindset, and I'm back with another video. And yes, I am wearing the same outfit that I had on in the previous video because, like I said, I have the mods for days. So needless to say, the mod today again will be the Widebody. So yes, another Widebody mod, needless to say. So this is going to be a quick and easy mod, in my opinion, my humble opinion. But at the end of the day, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you drop a fire emoji with a "Why so serious?" in it. You know, you gotta put the however you spell it. If you spell it E-R-R-R, like a or A-R-R-G, like me, like or however, just put your R in there after the "Why so serious" and the fire emoji. I greatly appreciate you. But needless to say, let's go ahead and get to this mod because that's what you came here for. That's what you clicked on that video. Just make sure you share the video as well. But let's go ahead and pop the hood of the trunk. Yes, I still have to. I'm still keeping the foot. You know, I haven't even actually did an interior vacuum yet. It still smells brand new, so I haven't even done that yet. But I will do that because, like I said, you know, I took the family on a good trip. I have these bugs in the front, so you can see the bugs are still in the front. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I had like 20 bugs in the front. Because again, you know, we driving the Widebody 392, so that 392. Let's just say yeah. So let's go ahead and one hand this thing. Ooh. All right, so this thing is up. So I want to face the other way because I don't want all this stuff flying inside this thing. And I'm gonna have to wipe. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wipe this area. So, needless to say, the mod of today is putting in some. Does that look like it fell out? So that's the backing of it. So I got a backing. So the mod of today is basically putting in these bad boys. I ordered these like maybe a month ago. Now during the coronavirus, of course, nobody's working and things like that. So of course you're just shopping. So the whole purpose of this order was to match, which it does not. It does not match. Ooh, Houston, we have a problem. Look at that. We have a problem. We have a problem. So, with that being said, the whole point was to. Can that just go in there? Does it just? Oh wow! It just pops in there like that. Wow! Are you serious? That's it? Wow, that's crazy. Well, this is gonna be the fastest mod ever, and I just done that without even a thought of concern. So, oh man, so that just pops in there. No, it gotta be more. Nope, it's in there. Yeah, it's in there. Yep, it is in there. So so let me just pull this out. So I can just pull this out. Yep, I can just pull this out. So I can easily just pull this out. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but when this light is on, I have the Dodge double stripes that light that illuminates inside of here. So this being inside, it kind of takes away from that. So I don't know if I want to keep this in there, or I might get something else. So I ordered these from Merrick Motorsports. So if you guys haven't follow them on Instagram. They have a lot of little accessory pieces, but
Needless to say, this is the easiest mod under 5 minutes that I have done ever. Aside from the tint, but the tint, when you add everything up, the tint takes time. But this is, I didn't even have to, let me close this. I didn't even have to open it. I didn't even have to open it. Look at that. So we gonna pop those in just like that. If I can get it in there. Yeah. Alright, so, oh man, that gives it life a little bit. I like that. That's a little dope. That's dope. So the point was to match the shipping guard with the same color. So this is a they call it the bumblebee yellow, or the stinger yellow. That's what it is. It's called a stinger yellow. The shipping guard is just a regular yellow. So I think what I might do is I might paint the shipping guard that same color to match that. I don't know what you guys think. Drop a comment down and tell me what you guys think of this mod. Like I said, under 5 minutes. I just strictly, you never know how this stuff is gonna go. So needless to say, that's it for the video. The fastest video I ever created on YouTube, between my other channel, which is also called SeriousMindset, where I break down my brand. Oh, also, if you're watching the video, subscribe. We're trying to get to Serious Nation. Serious Nation opens up for me to give you guys a giveaway. The giveaway is going to entitle a set from my actual apparel brand, needless to say. So let me show you this fire that I have, because I'm doing everything by myself, right? So needless to say, I got the dad hat with the gear in the S&M. So the website is smapparel.net. So needless to say, this is going to be a limited edition piece along with the matching shirt. Dad hat. As you see, dad hat. I will put it on, but again, you can't put on your own product while you're selling it. You know what I mean? Like I said, it will have to be a sample piece, but this is a production piece that's ready to be sold. So, like Smokey, you can't be smoking your own product, man. But at the end of the day, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for that quick mod. That was the quickest mod. So make a look. Tell me what you guys think about this at the end of the day. Again, I'm gonna ask you again. What do you guys think about that? So it does give a unique, different look, but it's still two different yellows. So it's two different yellows. At the end of the day, tell me what you guys think about that. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the notification bell, make sure you drop a fire emoji right after the What's So Serious in there. So type in What's So Serious and then the fire emoji, and then make sure you stay serious. What's So Serious
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
What's So Serious